Good afternoon, children. In this chapter number 3, management and business environment, this is our next topic, dimensions of business environment. And these are the main points of, or we can say forces which are affect the business. We have studied business environment, all the factors and forces which are outside the business house, but it affects the working of the business. So it comprises of economic environment, social environment, technological environment, political environment, and legal environment. First, we are taking economic environment. So economic environment is a branch of knowledge that deals with economic activities. And what are the economic activities? Production, consumption, investment, exchange and distribution of goods and services, interest rates, inflation rates, changes in disposable income of people. Changes in disposable income of people means, disposable income means what is the income of individuals and what are they, how much they willing to pay for any commodity. This is the disposable income. Then stock market indices and value of the rupee are some of the economic factors that can affect the management practices in a business enterprise. According to the consumption needs of the people, of the consumers, final consumers, the businessman produces its goods and services. And investment also affects the production of business, because if investors invest their money, and investment also affect by the interest rates or inflation rates, and if there is disposable changes in disposable income of people, it affects the buying capacity of consumers. And taking in view all these forces of economic environment, a businessman has to work accordingly to these conditions. Next is social environment. Social environment includes social factors like customs and traditions, which are observed by the customers, values, social trends, society's expectation from business, etc. For example, the health and fitness trends has become popular among large number of urban dwellers. Nowadays, we can see many people are attract towards our health and fitness trends. So this has created an environment of or demand for products like organic food, diet soft drinks, or green tea. People use green tea to become fit, and they use gyms or aerobics, etc. Boiled water, bottled water, and food supplements which make them fit. So all these items are prevailing in the market nowadays. Why? Because by the changing of demand of the consumers. And traditions define social practices that have lasted for decades or even centuries. People are using or are practicing some social practices which they have never tried to change. So when at the time of celebration of Diwali, Eid, Christmas, and other festivals, likewise the whole market will change according to the festivals, and according to different seasons also. Likewise, in summer season, market all woolen materials will change with or will replace with cotton wears. And when rainy season comes, then raincoats, umbrellas, and all other these type of items are, we can see all these types of items in market. Then technological environment. Technological environment includes forces relating to scientific improvements and innovations which provide new ways of producing goods and services and new methods and techniques of operating a business. Technological environment means the new innovations or new improvements or updations in the technologies that have made day by day. For example, nowadays people used to purchase LEDs or smart TVs instead of purchasing flat TVs or simple color TVs. They want LED or smart TVs or even 3D TVs. Nowadays they are willing to purchase 3D TVs. So like new technology, when new technology has come, then all the businessman has to switch to these new technologies and use these technologies to improve their production according to the taste and needs of the community. Then political environment. In political environment, it includes political conditions of any country, such as general stability and peace in the country. If there is condition of peace in the country or general stability of any political party, then investors can they are willing to invest money for a long term if there is stability of any political party. And if there is peace in the country, all the business conditions are favorable for businessmen. And specific attitudes that the elected government representatives hold towards business. If government changes policies for the business units, they change tax rates or other custom duties, they ever change the rates of the taxes and custom duties for the which are imposed for exports and imports, then it will affect the business also. Then last one is legal environment. Legal environment includes various legislations passed by the government, administrative orders issued by government authorities, court judgments, as well as the decisions rendered by various commissions and agencies at every level of government, central, state or local. When legal environment means all the acts or legal conditions which are imposed by the government, central, state or local government in their areas, in their related areas, for the business enterprises, and all the business enterprises has to obey the rules and regulations laid down by the government. So these are some of the examples: Companies Act 1956, then Industrial Act 1951. Companies Act, all the companies, joint stock companies are to be registered under Companies Act, and they have to follow all the rules and regulations which are given in Companies Act for their working. Then same as in Industrial Act, Foreign Exchange Management Act and Import and Export Act 1947. All these acts are created by government, and this is how the legal environment affects the working of the business, and this also includes in business environment, because this is the important topic for by which the business enterprise has greatest effect, and they have to work according to these acts, according to the guidelines of these acts passed by the government for the working of each and every organization in a particular country. Here this chapter is completed, and you can make notes of this chapter.